Hi, folks. So this week's topic is probably the most important topic for the second year in terms of it provides us with some basic fundamentals that are then applicable to about 5 or 6 different topic areas that will come up across as we go forward. So we're looking at circular motion, we're looking at the equations that govern circular motion, and then with that, if you think about all the things that move in circles that we're going to go on and look at, so we're thinking about the motion of planets as they orbit stars, for example. When we start to look at the behaviour of particles and particle physics and particle accelerators, so for example, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN that has particles whizzing around in circles. It turns out that electromagnetism is all about forces that act at right angles to the motion of the object, which results in circular motion. And there are 2 or 3 other places where the kind of equations that we're using to describe circles and repetition and cycles are also applicable. So when we look at simple harmonic motion, a lot of the stuff that we're going to learn over the course of this week will be used there. So this is one to have your brain switched on for. Make sure that it's all going in. Because of that, there are sort of 3 or 4 and the kind of repetitive assessment exercises that we're going to ask you to do just to make sure that these equations, these concepts are really well embedded in your head. We need to know that you know it. Okay, so that's why we're asking you to do that. It's quite short in terms of the new content. There's not loads there, and you've probably covered some of this in maths. You will be covering it in maths mechanics in the second year, and so this is how you do need to sort of give this due care and attention. So, like all Prezis, the best way to kind of think about physics concepts, and all physics concepts, in fact, is to watch videos of people being stupid and hurting themselves and think about what's going wrong. So, if you're in a lesson, I'll show you this video. I'll let you fast forward to it. I want you to watch this and think about what happened to, I think it's this hero here, this gentleman in the red trousers. Why does he end up doing what he does? Can you think about that in terms of physics? Come up with a kind of 3, 4 bullet point explanation using the right sort of terminology. This is what you'd be doing in lesson, and we'll see if your explanation kind of matches mine. So I'll leave you with this video looking at these idiots.